Now put your hands in the air, shake your body down slow. Go and bring it back like you never did it before. Keep your hands in the air while you drop it down low. Let me see you work it out like a stripper on a pole.
Okay. If you can't party tonight, I need y'all to get y'all drinks in the air. Get your Ciroc bottles in the air. And if you see a sexy lady right now, put your fucking hands up.
Your body looking amazing when you're dancing like that. Girl, get up on the stage and go and do your thing. Sexy, beautiful lady, won't you bring it right back? Go ahead, pull up, lady, you're my boomerang.
Cause that little chick gon' miss a worldwide impact. From MIA to LA